There's a better shot of the Kudzu.
Sometime if you can get a better shot of the railroad tracks going that direction.
Oh, yeah?
If we went down the railroad tracks, the cutoff is down there. And Edith and Mary and I were all born in the cutoff.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe maybe too dark when we come back, but sometime when we go down, I have to get a better shot of that.
Grandma was a coal miner.
Yeah? Oh, there's the church.
They've done a lot of work on it. It's pretty from the outside.
Yeah.
I haven't been inside.
That was the church my dad went to when he was a little boy.
See, right in this space in here is where the Miller store was.
Oh.
French and Cora Miller.
Yeah?
And they could cut bologna like you wouldn't believe. Just straight as can be.
Yeah, my aunt was saying the other day she's not good at cut.
Just have it thick on one side, thin on the other.
Yeah. I guess you need practice or a special touch, something like that.
A sharp knife.
Yeah, a sharp knife. That definitely helps.
But they just were good at it. They had done it so much. That they were really good at it.
Mm-hmm. Somewhere around here I noticed.
To end up on the top of the hill up there.
Oh, I think I remember visiting them there one time.
I don't know, but
At least I
This was
visited
a
someone
barn.
on the hill.
this is a barn that he made into a house.
How long ago was that? Because I remember going to a barn sometime.
At least 10 years or more. I don't know how long it's been. Oh, it's been more than 10 years because Mother's been gone 9 years.
Oh, yeah. Just, I remember us coming up here and them having horses.
Yeah, Joe Robinson had horses.
Yeah? Okay, I'm going to cut it off.